Hello, today we're going to be making beef meatballs. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Always wash your hands before food preparation. This is to prevent any possible germs from spreading to the food from your hands. Add your ground beef to a bowl. Add breadcrumbs to the bowl. Add an egg to the bowl. Add chopped chipotle peppers to the bowl. Add adobo sauce to the bowl. Add salt to the bowl. Add garlic powder to the bowl. Add chili powder to the bowl. Mix all of the ingredients together using your hands. Take the mixture and rotate it around your hand to form meatballs. Heat canola oil on a large saucepan on a stove over medium heat. Add the meatballs to the pan. The meatballs will be cooked through conduction and convection. As the frying pan conducts heat energy to the burners on the stove, the heat will then transfer from the pan to the meatballs. Transfer the meatballs to the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes so that they will be cooked to a minimum internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The meatballs will be cooked through conduction and convection in the oven as well. When we cook the meat above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, myoglobin, which is a protein that gives meat its red color, will lose its ability to bind to oxygen. This process creates the tanner compound called hemochrome, which gives meat its darker color when it is cooking. We can make the dipping sauce while the meatballs are cooking in the oven. First, add sour cream to a bowl. Add mayonnaise to the bowl. Add lime juice to the bowl. Add chipotle peppers to the bowl. Add salt to the bowl. With a utensil such as a fork, whisk the ingredients in the bowl until it forms a nice light brown color. Check the internal temperature of the meatballs in the oven with a thermometer. When cooking time temperature control foods, it is important to cook it to a safe minimum internal temperature. For ground beef, make sure you cook it to a minimum internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit in order to reduce the pathogens in the food. Take the meatballs and serve it on a plate. Your meatballs and dipping sauce are ready to eat. Enjoy!